Welcome back to Code to Capital. I'm Jessica. And if you've ever wondered how businesses are staying ahead in today's fast-paced digital world, you're in the right place. Andrew, today we're diving into a topic that's transforming the marketing landscape at lightning speed.
That's right, Jessica. I'm Andrew, and today we're exploring how artificial intelligence is shaping modern marketing campaigns. From automating time-consuming tasks to crafting hyper-personalized customer experiences, AI is revolutionizing the way businesses connect with their audiences. And it's not just for the tech giants, small businesses and solo entrepreneurs are leveraging these tools too.
Exactly. AI has gone from being a buzzword to a game changer in marketing strategy. In this episode, we'll break down how AI is enhancing campaign efficiency, driving personalization, and even helping marketers predict trends with pinpoint accuracy. Plus, we'll touch on some of the challenges and ethical considerations that come with using AI in marketing.
And we'll also explore the tools and techniques you can start using right now to stay ahead of the curve. Whether you're managing a startup's social media or overseeing global ad campaigns, the insights we'll share today will help you harness AI to make your marketing efforts smarter, faster, and more effective.
So grab your coffee, take some notes, and get ready to rethink the way you approach marketing. This is going to be an exciting journey into the intersection of AI and creativity. Let's get started.
Let's start with a quick history lesson. Marketing has always been about connecting with people, but the tools and strategies have changed dramatically over the decades. Back in the day, businesses relied on print ads, billboards, and word of mouth to reach their customers. Everything was done manually, and campaigns often took weeks or months to plan and execute.
That's right, Andrew. Things started to shift with the rise of television and radio, which brought mass communication into the mix. Suddenly, brands could reach millions of people with a single ad. It was revolutionary, but it still required massive budgets and a lot of time to produce and distribute content.
Fast forward to the internet age, and we see the birth of digital marketing. Websites, email newsletters, and banner ads changed the game by making it easier and cheaper to reach targeted audiences. Tools like Google AdWords and early SEO techniques gave marketers more control over who saw their content and when.
Social media was the next big leap. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter turned marketing into a two-way conversation. Brands could engage directly with their audiences, gather feedback in real time, and build communities around their products. But even then, these campaigns required a lot of manual effort, from drafting posts to analyzing engagement metrics.
Then came marketing automation. Tools like HubSpot and MailChimp allowed businesses to streamline repetitive tasks like email campaigns and lead nurturing. This freed up marketers to focus more on strategy and creativity, but the automation was still rule-based, meaning it followed preset conditions and lacked the ability to adapt dynamically.
Enter AI. Unlike traditional automation, AI can learn and improve over time, making it a true game changer. Instead of following static rules, AI can analyze massive amounts of data to identify patterns, predict customer behavior, and optimize campaigns on the fly. It's like having a supercharged marketing assistant working 24/7.
One of the first areas where AI made an impact was in programmatic advertising. This involves using AI to buy and place ads in real time, ensuring they reach the right audience at the right time. It's efficient, cost-effective, and far more accurate than traditional methods. Programmatic ads are now a staple in most digital marketing strategies.
Another breakthrough came with personalization. AI has enabled marketers to tailor their messages to individual customers based on their preferences, behaviors, and past interactions. Think about those Netflix recommendations or Amazon product suggestions. They're all powered by AI, and they've set a new standard for what customers expect from brands.
The evolution of marketing campaigns isn't just about adopting new tools. It's about rethinking the entire approach. AI is helping businesses move from a one-size-fits-all mindset to a customer-centric strategy. It's no longer about broadcasting a message to everyone, but creating meaningful interactions with the right people.
And this shift isn't just exciting. It's essential. In a world where customers are bombarded with ads and information, standing out requires more than just creativity. It requires precision, speed, and a deep understanding of what your audience wants. That's where AI truly shines, and it's why it's transforming marketing as we know it. Now that we've explored how marketing has evolved, let's focus on one of the biggest benefits of AI in marketing campaigns: efficiency. In the past, campaigns required extensive planning and manual execution, which often led to delays and inefficiencies. AI has completely flipped the script, making processes faster and more streamlined.
That's right, Jessica. One major way AI enhances efficiency is by automating repetitive tasks. For example, creating email marketing campaigns used to involve manually drafting, scheduling, and segmenting emails. Today, AI tools like MailChimp or HubSpot can handle all of that, personalizing each message based on customer data and automating the entire process.
AI also shines in data analysis. Marketers are often overwhelmed by the sheer volume of data they have to process, everything from website traffic to social media engagement metrics. AI tools like Tableau or Google Analytics use machine learning to analyze this data in real time, highlighting trends and providing actionable insights faster than any human team could.
Another area where AI saves time is ad optimization. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads Manager use AI to determine which ads perform best, adjusting targeting and budgets automatically to maximize ROI. This not only saves marketers countless hours, but also ensures campaigns are always performing at their peak.
AI also helps with content creation, which is often one of the most time-consuming aspects of marketing. Tools like ChatGPT or Jasper can generate drafts for blog posts, ad copy, or social media updates in minutes. While humans still need to refine and edit the content, these tools significantly reduce the initial workload.
And let's not forget AI's ability to streamline customer interactions. Chatbots, powered by natural language processing, handle customer queries instantly, 24/7. They can answer frequently asked questions, guide users to the right resources, and even qualify leads for sales teams, all without human intervention.
AI-powered scheduling tools are another game changer. Social media managers can use platforms like Hootsuite or Buffer to schedule posts across multiple channels, analyze the best times to publish, and even recommend trending topics or hashtags. This eliminates the guesswork and saves hours of planning.
In addition to saving time, AI improves the accuracy of marketing efforts. Predictive analytics tools like Salesforce Einstein or Adobe Sensei can forecast customer behavior, allowing marketers to allocate resources more effectively. This precision minimizes waste and ensures every dollar spent is working toward campaign goals.
Efficiency also extends to testing and experimentation. A/B testing, which once required weeks to gather meaningful results, can now be conducted in real time with AI. Tools like Optimizely use machine learning to analyze user responses and determine the best performing elements of a campaign almost instantly.
Ultimately, AI's ability to enhance efficiency isn't just about saving time. It's about enabling marketers to focus on what they do best: strategy and creativity. By automating the mundane and optimizing performance, AI empowers teams to dedicate their energy to crafting compelling campaigns that truly resonate with their audience.
Now let's talk about one of the most transformative aspects of AI in marketing: personalization. Customers today expect brands to understand their needs and preferences, and AI is making that possible at a scale we've never seen before. Gone are the days of one-size-fits-all messaging.
That's absolutely true, Jessica. AI allows marketers to analyze massive amounts of customer data and deliver tailored experiences. For instance, email marketing has been completely revolutionized. Instead of sending the same message to everyone, AI tools can create personalized emails for each recipient based on their browsing habits, purchase history, or even predicted interests.
And personalization doesn't stop at email. AI-driven tools can also tailor website experiences. Platforms like Optimizely or Adobe Target adjust site content dynamically depending on who's visiting. For example, returning customers might see product recommendations, while first-time visitors are offered special discounts. It's about creating a custom journey for every user.
And it works. Personalized experiences don't just make customers happy, they drive results. Data shows that tailored emails have higher open and click-through rates, and customized product recommendations can boost sales dramatically. Personalization has become a powerful revenue driver for businesses of all sizes.
Social media is another area where personalization thrives. AI algorithms on platforms like Instagram and TikTok curate feeds to match user preferences. Brands that align their content with these preferences can significantly increase engagement and conversions by seamlessly integrating into the user's personalized experience.
That's a great point. Advertising has also become far more precise thanks to AI. Tools like Google Ads and Facebook Ads Manager analyze demographic data, behaviors, and interests to serve ads to the right people at the right time. For instance, someone who searches for running shoes may start seeing ads for athletic apparel across their social feeds.
Personalization doesn't just attract new customers, it helps retain existing ones. AI can predict when a customer might stop engaging based on their behavior and trigger a re-engagement campaign. Whether it's a special offer, loyalty reward, or a simple check-in, these tailored touches go a long way in building customer loyalty.
Voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant are pushing personalization even further. These platforms learn user habits and preferences, offering tailored recommendations and content delivery. Brands can tap into this by creating custom interactions that enhance the customer experience through voice technology.
Of course, we can't talk about personalization without addressing privacy concerns. Customers want relevant experiences, but they also value their privacy. That's why transparency and ethical data use are critical for maintaining trust. Marketers need to ensure they're using data responsibly and clearly communicating how it's being used.
Ultimately, AI-driven personalization is about forging deeper connections with customers. By delivering value tailored to their unique needs and preferences, businesses can foster loyalty and drive long-term success. It's not just a marketing trend. It's an essential strategy in today's competitive landscape.
Now that we've explored personalization, let's dive into another game changer in modern marketing: predictive analytics. This is where AI truly shows its power by not just analyzing past data, but also forecasting future trends, customer behaviors, and campaign outcomes. It's like having a crystal ball for your marketing efforts.
That's a great way to put it, Jessica. Predictive analytics allows marketers to make data-driven decisions with confidence. For example, AI can analyze historical purchase data to predict which products a customer is likely to buy next. Armed with this knowledge, businesses can target the right audience with the right message at the right time.
It's also transforming lead generation. Traditional methods often involved trial and error or relying on broad demographic assumptions. Now, AI-powered tools can identify high-value leads by analyzing patterns in customer interactions, website activity, and even social media engagement. This means sales teams can focus their energy on prospects most likely to convert.
And it doesn't stop there. AI can optimize timing too. Predictive analytics tools can determine the best time to launch a campaign, send an email, or post on social media based on customer behavior patterns. This kind of insight helps marketers maximize engagement and ROI while minimizing wasted effort.
One of the most exciting applications is content strategy. Predictive analytics can identify which types of content resonate with specific segments of your audience. Whether it's a blog post, video, or infographic, AI can forecast what will perform well and even suggest improvements to ensure maximum impact.
Another major advantage is customer retention. Predictive tools can flag customers who are at risk of churning and trigger re-engagement campaigns before it's too late. For example, an AI system might notice a drop in activity from a subscription user and recommend offering them a discount or a personalized email to reignite interest.
Even pricing strategies are getting a boost. AI can analyze market trends, competitor pricing, and customer behavior to recommend optimal pricing strategies. This is especially useful for e-commerce businesses that need to stay competitive without sacrificing profit margins.
Marketers are also using predictive analytics to refine audience segmentation. Instead of relying on generic categories, AI can identify microsegments based on specific behaviors or interests. This allows for hyper-targeted campaigns that feel more relevant and personalized to the customer.
While predictive analytics offers incredible advantages, it's important to remember that it's not infallible. AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. If the data is incomplete or biased, the predictions could be inaccurate or misleading. That's why human oversight and critical thinking are still essential.
At its core, predictive analytics is about making smarter decisions. By leveraging AI to anticipate trends and customer needs, marketers can create campaigns that are not only efficient, but also highly effective. It's another example of how technology is reshaping the way we connect with audiences and achieve business goals.
Building on the power of predictive analytics, let's turn to another area where AI is making waves: content creation. Whether it's drafting blog posts, creating social media captions, or even producing videos, AI tools are transforming the way marketers develop content for their campaigns.
That's right, Jessica. AI is saving marketers countless hours by handling the heavy lifting of generating ideas and initial drafts. For example, tools like ChatGPT and Jasper can produce well-written articles, product descriptions, or email copy in a matter of seconds. It's like having a virtual copywriter on your team.
And the benefits don't stop at text. AI is also playing a major role in visual content creation. Platforms like Canva's AI-powered design tools or Midjourney's image generators allow marketers to quickly create eye-catching graphics and visuals, even if they don't have a background in design.
Video is another area where AI is stepping up. Tools like Pictory and Descript make it easier than ever to edit videos, add captions, or even create short clips from longer content. This is especially valuable for businesses looking to tap into the growing demand for video content on platforms like TikTok and Instagram.
What's fascinating is how AI enables rapid iteration. Marketers can generate multiple versions of a blog post, ad, or graphic, test them with their audience, and refine the content based on real-time feedback. This kind of adaptability wasn't possible with traditional content creation methods.
Of course, while AI tools are powerful, they're not perfect. AI can draft content quickly, but it often requires human refinement to ensure the tone, style, and message align with the brand's voice. Think of AI as an assistant that accelerates the process, but still relies on your expertise for the finishing touches.
Another important consideration is originality. AI-generated content is based on patterns and data it's been trained on, which means it can sometimes feel formulaic or lack emotional depth. For campaigns that need a strong personal or emotional connection, human creativity is still irreplaceable.
Ethical concerns also come into play. Using AI to generate content raises questions about ownership and transparency. For example, should marketers disclose when their content was created by AI? These are important discussions as AI becomes more integrated into the creative process.
Despite these challenges, the opportunities far outweigh the drawbacks. AI frees up time and resources, allowing marketers to focus on higher-level strategy and creativity. By automating the repetitive aspects of content creation, AI empowers teams to innovate and think bigger.
At the end of the day, AI in content creation is a one that, when used thoughtfully, can amplify your efforts and deliver results faster. It's not about replacing human creativity, it's about enhancing it. The key is to find the right balance between automation and authenticity.
So, we've covered content creation, but what about getting that content in front of the right audience? That's where AI in ad placement and optimization comes into play. AI has completely transformed the way marketers buy, place, and optimize ads, making campaigns more precise and cost-effective than ever.
That's a great point, Jessica. One of the biggest advancements is in programmatic advertising. This involves using AI to automate the buying and placement of ads in real time. Platforms like Google Ads or The Trade Desk analyze user data and decide in milliseconds where to place an ad for maximum impact.
Exactly. AI doesn't just automate the process, it ensures ads are reaching the right audience at the right time. For example, AI can identify specific user demographics, like interests or purchasing habits, and serve ads tailored to those profiles. This level of precision reduces wasted ad spend and increases ROI.
It also allows marketers to test and adapt campaigns more effectively. With traditional advertising, you might wait weeks to evaluate performance, but AI can analyze results in real time. Tools like Facebook Ads Manager automatically adjust budgets and targeting to optimize campaign performance on the fly.
And let's not forget about dynamic ad creation. AI can generate multiple versions of an ad, tweaking elements like headlines, images, or calls to action to see which performs best. This means marketers can A/B test creative elements at a scale and speed that would be impossible manually.
AI is also making retargeting campaigns more effective. If you've ever browsed a product online and later seen ads for it across your social media or favorite websites, that's AI-driven retargeting in action. It ensures your brand stays top of mind for customers who've already shown interest.
Another exciting development is AI's ability to predict trends. By analyzing market data and consumer behavior, AI can help marketers anticipate what products or messaging will resonate with audiences in the future. This proactive approach allows businesses to stay ahead of the competition.
AI doesn't just benefit businesses, it improves the user experience too. By ensuring that ads are relevant and timely, AI reduces the likelihood of customers feeling bombarded with irrelevant or repetitive content. It's a win-win for both marketers and their audiences.
Of course, there are challenges. While AI makes ad placement more efficient, it also raises concerns about data privacy. As marketers, it's crucial to ensure we're collecting and using data responsibly, respecting user preferences, and staying compliant with regulations like GDPR or CCPA.
When used ethically, AI in ad placement and optimization is a game changer. It saves time, improves performance, and creates a more personalized experience for customers. By embracing these tools thoughtfully, marketers can drive better results while maintaining trust and transparency with their audience.
Now that we've discussed ad placement, let's turn our attention to social media marketing. Social platforms are where AI's influence really shines, helping brands stay relevant, responsive, and engaging in an increasingly fast-paced digital world.
Absolutely, Jessica. Social media moves quickly, and AI helps marketers keep up. One of the most impactful applications is in scheduling and managing posts. Tools like Hootsuite and Buffer use AI to recommend the best times to post based on audience activity, ensuring your content reaches people when they're most likely to engage.
AI also simplifies content creation for social platforms. For example, tools like Canva's AI-powered templates or Lumen 5 can help create visuals or short videos optimized for platforms like Instagram or TikTok. This means marketers can produce platform-specific content faster and more efficiently.
And let's not forget about monitoring and analytics. AI tools can track mentions, hashtags, and engagement in real time, giving marketers valuable insights into what's resonating with their audience. Platforms like Sprout Social even provide sentiment analysis to gauge how people feel about your brand.
Customer service is another area where AI is making waves. Chatbots powered by natural language processing handle customer inquiries on social media 24/7. They can answer frequently asked questions, guide users to resources, and even escalate complex issues to human representatives when needed.
AI's ability to identify trends is also a game changer. Social listening tools like Brandwatch or Talkwalker use AI to analyze conversations and detect emerging topics. This allows brands to jump on trends early and tailor their content to what's buzzing online.
One of the most exciting developments is predictive analytics in social media. AI can forecast which types of posts or campaigns will perform well based on historical data. For instance, if a certain type of content consistently gets high engagement, AI can suggest creating more of it.
AI also plays a critical role in influencer marketing. Tools like Upfluence and Aspire IQ use AI to match brands with influencers who align with their target audience and values. These platforms analyze an influencer's engagement metrics, audience demographics, and past campaigns to ensure a strong partnership.
However, as powerful as AI is, it's important to maintain authenticity in social media marketing. Audiences value genuine interactions, so while AI can automate and optimize, human oversight is essential to ensure your brand's voice remains consistent and relatable.
AI in social media marketing isn't about replacing creativity. It's about enhancing it. By automating the mundane and providing actionable insights, AI frees up marketers to focus on crafting meaningful connections with their audience. When used wisely, it's a tool that transforms possibilities into results.
While AI has brought incredible advancements to marketing, it's important to address the challenges and ethical concerns that come with it. As powerful as these tools are, they also raise critical questions about data privacy, transparency, and fairness in how they're used.
That's right, Jessica. Let's start with data privacy. AI relies heavily on consumer data to function effectively, whether it's for personalization, targeting, or predictive analytics. The challenge is ensuring this data is collected, stored, and used responsibly. Marketers must navigate regulations like GDPR and CCPA, which set strict guidelines for protecting user privacy.
Another concern is algorithmic bias. Since AI learns from historical data, it can inadvertently replicate and reinforce biases in that data. For example, an AI tool used for ad targeting might unintentionally exclude certain groups based on skewed data, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes.
And then there's the issue of transparency. Consumers increasingly want to know how their data is being used and when they're interacting with AI. For example, if a chatbot is answering a query or an ad is generated by AI, should brands disclose that information? Transparency builds trust, but it's not always prioritized.
Ethics in AI-generated content is another area that sparks debate. Who owns the rights to AI-generated materials? And how do we ensure that this content doesn't unintentionally plagiarize or copy existing work? These are complex questions that marketers need to consider as they integrate AI into their strategies.
Authenticity is also a challenge. While AI can generate impressive content, it often lacks the human touch needed to form genuine connections. Over-reliance on AI can make a brand's messaging feel impersonal or robotic, which could alienate audiences who value authenticity.
The speed and automation of AI also bring risks of misinformation. AI can generate content quickly, but without human oversight, there's a risk of inaccuracies or poorly phrased messages slipping through. This is particularly concerning for brands that need to maintain a high standard of credibility.
Another ethical concern is the potential for job displacement. As AI takes over tasks like content creation, ad optimization, and customer service, there's a fear that it could reduce opportunities for human workers. The key is to use AI as a complement to human skills, not a replacement.
And we can't ignore the environmental impact. Training and running AI models require significant computational power, which can contribute to energy consumption and carbon emissions. As marketers adopt AI tools, they should also explore sustainable practices to minimize their environmental footprint.
Ultimately, addressing these challenges comes down to responsible use. Marketers need to balance the incredible potential of AI with a commitment to ethics, transparency, and human oversight. When used thoughtfully, AI can drive innovation while maintaining trust and integrity in marketing campaigns.
Looking ahead, let's explore the future trends shaping AI and marketing. The rapid evolution of technology means that what's cutting edge today could be standard practice tomorrow. So, what's next for AI-powered marketing campaigns?
One of the most exciting trends is the rise of multimodal AI systems. These tools can handle text, images, and even video simultaneously. Imagine an AI that not only writes your ad copy, but also generates the accompanying visuals and edits, a short video all, aligned with the same campaign theme.
Another trend is hyper-personalization. While we've already discussed personalization, future AI tools will take it even further. These systems will combine data from multiple sources to create marketing messages tailored not just to a customer's preferences, but also to their current context, like time of day or location.
We're also seeing AI enable real-time collaboration. Imagine a scenario where marketers can interact with AI systems in real time to brainstorm ideas, draft content, or adjust strategies. This dynamic collaboration will make campaigns more responsive and adaptable than ever before.
Voice technology is another area poised for growth. As voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant become more sophisticated, brands will have new opportunities to connect with consumers. AI-driven voice marketing could include personalized product recommendations or branded experiences delivered through voice platforms.
AI will also revolutionize augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR experiences. For example, retailers could use AI to create virtual shopping environments tailored to individual customers. This could bring a whole new level of immersion and interactivity to marketing campaigns.
Predictive analytics will become even more powerful with advances in machine learning. Future AI systems will not only forecast trends, but also recommend proactive strategies to capitalize on emerging opportunities. This will help businesses stay ahead of the competition and respond quickly to market changes.
Sustainability in AI marketing is another emerging trend. As more brands commit to reducing their carbon footprints, AI tools will focus on efficiency and minimizing energy consumption. Sustainable AI could become a key differentiator for companies looking to align their marketing strategies with environmental values.
Ethical AI will also take center stage. As consumers demand greater transparency, brands will need to ensure their AI systems are fair, unbiased, and trustworthy. This includes disclosing when AI is being used and being upfront about how customer data is collected and utilized.
Ultimately, the future of AI in marketing is about pushing boundaries while staying grounded in ethical practices. As these technologies evolve, they'll empower marketers to connect with audiences in ways we've never imagined, creating campaigns that are not only effective but also meaningful and authentic.
As we wrap up our exploration of AI in marketing, let's focus on actionable steps for marketers. Whether you're just starting to explore AI or looking to refine your current strategies, there are practical ways to integrate these tools into your campaigns effectively.
A great first step is to identify specific challenges in your marketing efforts. Are you struggling with lead generation, content creation, or audience targeting? Once you pinpoint the areas where AI can add the most value, it's easier to select the right tools and start experimenting.
Speaking of tools, start small. There are plenty of accessible AI platforms with free trials or affordable pricing tiers. Tools like ChatGPT for copywriting, Canva for design, or Hootsuite for social media management are great places to begin without overwhelming your budget or team.
It's also essential to prioritize training and education. AI tools are only as effective as the people using them. Invest in learning resources for yourself and your team to understand how these platforms work and how to maximize their potential.
Another tip is to keep your data organized and clean. Since AI relies heavily on data, ensuring your customer databases are accurate and up to date will improve the quality of the insights and outputs these tools generate. Think of it as laying the foundation for AI success.
Don't forget the importance of testing and iteration. AI thrives on feedback, and so should your campaigns. Use A/B testing to evaluate different approaches and allow AI tools to analyze the results. This iterative process helps you refine your strategies and improve over time.
While leveraging AI, it's crucial to maintain a human touch. Automation can handle repetitive tasks, but your brand's personality and voice should always shine through. Balance efficiency with authenticity to create campaigns that connect emotionally with your audience.
Stay informed about emerging trends and tools. AI technology is evolving rapidly, and staying ahead of the curve can give you a competitive edge. Follow industry blogs, attend webinars, and engage with communities where marketers share their experiences and insights.
It's also important to approach AI with an ethical mindset. Be transparent about how you're using AI in your campaigns and ensure you're respecting customer privacy and data security. Building trust with your audience will always be a key factor in long-term success.
Finally, don't be afraid to experiment and innovate. AI offers incredible possibilities, but it's up to you to explore and push the boundaries of what's possible. Embrace the learning curve, stay creative, and remember that the best campaigns come from a blend of technology and human ingenuity.
And that wraps up this episode of Code to Capital. Today, we've explored how AI is reshaping the way marketing campaigns are planned, executed, and optimized. From content creation to predictive analytics and personalization, it's clear that AI is revolutionizing the field.
Absolutely, Jessica. The opportunities AI presents are incredible, but it's just as important to approach this technology with responsibility and creativity. Whether you're just starting to experiment with AI tools or already incorporating them into your strategies, there's always more to learn and explore.
We hope you found this episode valuable and packed with actionable insights. If you did, we'd love for you to share it with your colleagues, like the episode, and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. Your feedback helps us tailor the show to what matters most to you.
And don't forget to subscribe to Code to Capital so you never miss an episode. If you're interested in ad-free versions of the show and exclusive perks, head over to patreon.com, chart code 2 capital. That's code, the number 2, and capital.com, and support us there.
Finally, be sure to check out all the other amazing AI-powered shows on SynthCast Media at synthcastmedia.com. Thank you for joining us today. And until next time, keep innovating, keep creating, and we'll see you in the next episode. Code to Capital is a product of SynthCast Media. If you enjoyed this program, be sure to check out all the other great shows we produce at synthcastmedia.com. Patrons get ad-free versions of all our episodes, so sign up today by going to patreon.com/code2capital. That's code the number 2 in capital. Our ad partners make this show possible. You can support this program by supporting them.